I'm back with you again. In a previous class, we have studied about the computer, what is a computer, what is the process of the computer, type and size of the computer, and the characters of the computer, all things we have studied about the computer. So today we will going to study about the structure of the computer. What is the structure of the computer? For this we have to back in a previous class. What is the computer? Computer literally means calculating device, but in a modern days computer which are the previous life much and more than the calculating device. In fact, if you want a formal definition of the computer, computer is an electronic device which is receive input and store and process as per instructions by given the user and provide the output. So, my dear students, today we will going to study about the structure of the computer. That means what is the particular structure of the computer, how made the computer design, how to design the computer, and how to functionize the computer. Computer structure of the computer. There are the main structure of the computer is a input unit, output unit, and the control unit. Control unit also is spread into three categories: ALU, that means the arithmetic logical unit, and the memory and control unit. So, what is the function of the control unit? Control unit control and command the all instructions which is given by the user, and the ALU, that means the arithmetic logical unit, that means addition, subtraction, and logical unit, greater than and the more than and less than, all are the instructions which is the identified by the arithmetic logical unit. And memory is the store the data. So, and output unit provide the data in required form. So, my dear students, today we will going to study about the structure of the computer in a detail by this video.
Each computer has five main parts or the components as follow. First is the input unit, second is the output unit, and third is the memory, arithmetical and logical unit, control unit. These parts and the interrelationship between them are shown in a figure below. In a diagram, by input unit, we feed our data, commands or programs into the computer, which is received by the ALU, that means arithmetic and logical unit, is stored in a memory as a proper place. When needed, the ALU take data and instructions from the memory. There, various operations are performed on it as per the commanded of the control unit, and results are either sent to the output unit or stored again in a memory itself. Among the five parts of the computer, what the five parts of the computer? Input unit, control unit, and the arithmetic logical unit, memory, and output unit. The control unit, that means three part of the computer: control unit, ALU, and memory, which is in the center, are called the central processing unit, that means CPU. In fact, CPU is the real computer. CPU ही उसका real computer है. Other two parts, input and output units, are only means of making the interface of the user with the computer CPU. मतलब आउटपुट और इनपुट की मदद से सिर्फ वो इंटरफेस करते हैं, मतलब कि उससे वार्तालाप करते हैं. So, my dear students, you are understand what is the structure of computer and how to process the computer.